us, we got Don here. Don, thank you so much for being a part of the video. And also Chelsea, our medical student who's rotating through the office, who you actually saw our videos before you even knew who we were, right?
I did.
Yeah, found us on YouTube. So we're gonna take a look in your ear and try to make it feel better. And that's a lot of wax. A whole lot of wax. People are gonna be excited to see this come out. Don, have you ever had this done before?
Yeah, I have. And then a flush, they used a machine that just kept washing it away.
We have the machine too. That was just the tip of the iceberg. Keeps bouncing off the tray. Sorry about that. A little more. If we can sometimes we'll get the whole thing.
Yeah.
When we do this, it'll just all come out together. Other times, see if you can pull it a little bit more out. There. That works. Sometimes what we'll do is at least get a head start for when we do use the irrigator.
Right.
Sorry. There. Some more. That's the stuff we're getting.
Earwax.
Yeah, you've seen it before.
Yeah. Make candles.
You know what? I just touched it, and it is hard. I believe this could be a part of the balance issue. It's going to take some work to get that, so we need to get started. Just half peroxide, half water.
I'll keep that in mind.
All right. Number 3. Except I forgot where the on-off switch was. There it is. And the reason I'm pointing it up, even though that's where the coughing happens, is because that's where the money is. Oh, that's interesting. Some people see things in the clouds. I see things in earwax. Like that last one was a sea otter. Oh, different color. Lighter color.
Wow.
Yeah, let me jump in and see what I did. Oh, there's an eardrum.
Wow.
What's that little piece there? Can I get that? So after all that, we got you cleared, except for that tiny little piece of cerumen, which we don't have suction here, so we can't get it with suction, but it's not going to cause any problem with balance or with pain or with hearing. Right. It's you've got a clear passage to the eardrum. Do you feel any difference as far as balance?
I can hear you better.
Because I'm yelling.
I don't know. I'll have to check when I'm walking around, because it doesn't happen all the time.
Okay.
We'll see if it doesn't happen anymore.
Let us know.
Yeah, I will let you know.
All right. Thanks, Don. And Chelsea, thanks for doing great work with the camera.
Not a problem.
Thanks for joining us. Until next time, Don, Chelsea, Dr. Mark Vaughan telling you to stay in good health.